Should you ever talk to the police? In all my years of practice as a prosecutor first and now as a defense attorney, I can hardly think of any instance where a person talked to the police and put themselves in a better position than they otherwise would have been. The only instance I can think of that, in fact, is a case where there was video evidence contradicting what the police thought their case was. And in that particular instance, the person going in and providing that video did not set them back. But that is probably the only instance I can think of where it was not a mistake to talk to the police. So why is talking to the police a mistake? Understand that the police are often not looking for a full-blown confession. They're expecting you to come in and say things that will put yourself in the best possible light. But understand, during that conversation, you're at a great disadvantage, or a number of great disadvantages. First of all, officers have been trained to interrogate you. They've learned a number of methods that will make it more likely that you'll talk to them than not. Understand that during their interrogation, they can also lie to you. So they're equipped with the ability to say things that might be alarming to cause a result. They might say they suspect you of something extremely serious, much more serious than what they're actually interested in, just to get you to say, no, I didn't do that. At worst, I've done this other thing. That's just one example. They're highly trained to elicit the answers that they're looking for. Second, as I said, they're not looking for a full-blown confession. Oftentimes, they're establishing different things that will help their case. For example, simply establishing a timeline or your version of events could help them in the future. Establishing the fact that you know the alleged victim or have met the alleged victim could help them. Establishing a time when you and the alleged victim may have been alone or around each other could help their case. So while you're going in thinking that you're going to be able to defend yourself, understand that these are professionals who have been trained to get specific answers from you. They probably have blinders on. They have a belief already as to what happened. So even though they may be telling you that they want your side of the story, nothing could be further from the truth. They think they already know what the story is, and in most cases, there's nothing you're going to say that's going to change their mind about what they already believe, what their alleged victim has already told them. If you receive a call from a detective, or a detective leaves a card at your door, the only thing you should do is call an attorney to represent you. As an attorney, I can sometimes talk to detectives and get more information out of them. So I might find out that they only need to talk to you because you're a witness in a matter they're investigating. I'd still want to be in on that conversation with you, but at least we would know what we were getting ourselves into. On the other hand, I could find out what they're investigating, what the allegation is about you. Additionally, if they're intent on or already have began the process of getting a warrant for your arrest, I can often ask them to arrange for a self-surrender where we're turning you in on your own terms and you're bonding out, as opposed to you getting arrested at your home, in front of your neighbors, or at work in front of your coworkers. There's really no circumstance under which you should talk to a police officer, particularly without counsel. This video was made in response to questions that we've received on this channel in the past. If you have a criminal question that you'd like for us to answer, just drop a comment below and we'll be happy to answer that in a future video.